Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video we are going to discuss important abbreviations, very useful to all competitive exams. Part 1. AIR. AIR stands for AIR, All India Radio. BCCI, Board of Control for Cricket in India. BIS, Bureau of Indian Standards. BSF stands for Border Security Force. CBI stands for Central Bureau of Investigation. CBSE stands for Central Board of Secondary Education. CID stands for Criminal Investigation Department. CISF stands for Central Industrial Security Force. CITU stands for Center of Indian Trade Unions. DIG stands for Deputy Inspector General. DM stands for District Magistrate. DRDO stands for Defense Research and Development Organization. FERA stands for Foreign Exchange Regulation Act. FEMA stands for Foreign Exchange Management Act. GNP stands for Gross National Product. GAIL stands for Gas Authority of India Limited. GATT stands for General Agreement on Tariff and Trade. GIC stands for General Insurance Corporation. GMT stands for Greenwich Mean Time. GPS stands for Global Positioning System. HDFC stands for Housing Development Finance Corporation. IAAI stands for International Airport Authority of India. IAC stands for Indian Airlines Corporation. IARI stands for Indian Agricultural Research Institute. DRDO stands for Defense Research and Development Organization. Thank you viewers for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe.